Hey guys, it's Rex. I'm here on the Toccoa River and I'm trying a new dinner recipe tonight and I wanted to share it with you guys. It's very easy to make, it's super cheap, and I have a feeling it's going to be very delicious. It's a loaded mashed potatoes. So I bought butter and herb flavor. This is a 4-ounce bag. It's supposed to be 4 servings. I'm just going to use half the bag at 2 ounces and just eat 2 servings. I got 1.5 ounces of bacon jerky and then 1 stick of cheddar cheese. And then after I'm done cooking it, I'm going to top it with some French fried onions. I'm going to start by boiling 1 cup of water. After your water is boiling, you're going to add half the pack of potatoes. Add in your boiling water. That mix up nicely. Toss in your cheese. Toss in your jerky. And then just top with however much French onion you want. This is very good. Highly recommend. It doesn't get much better than this. Got a great dinner, awesome view. Wow, really good. Maybe bring some salt and pepper to add to it. That is something I forgot. Very tasty. Well guys, if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Catch you later.